Old school, I know, is boring, but in order to understand why the web has developed as it has, we do need to understand it. So, what is the old school way of how a browser used to fetch data from a server? Well, you probably can guess. Browser would have sent a request, it would then have to wait, and then it would receive a response. And page loading this way was very intuitive. If nothing went wrong, any assets that made up the page would be downloaded and displayed on your computer or device. So let's see how this looks. So your browser would send an HTTP request to your server. It would then wait. Your server would then process that request, and it would then send an HTTP response to your browser. This was the way that websites worked for many years. But this had a number of flaws, and the biggest flaw by far is, and that's why it's number one, page reloads. What do I mean by this? Well, think about it. Whenever you wanted to update any part of your website, for example, to display a new set of products, or if a user wanted to update his profile, his name or age, the entire page had to load again. And this practice is very resource heavy and results in poor user experience, especially as your websites become larger and larger and more complex. Okay, Clyde, that's great. I know the problem, but what is the solution? Well, I don't want to give you a spoiler alert, so you're going to have to wait until the next lecture to find out.